Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about first and second derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. If we want to find first derivative of this one, that should be like this. So if we do first derivative, we need to do first derivative of f content of gx. Later that we need to do first derivative of g of s. This is about the chain rule of derivative. Now if we go to second derivative of this one, equals to first derivative of this one. So in this situation, we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have y equals to ab. So if we do first derivative, we need to do first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So this one we have like this. So if we do first derivative of this one, we have second derivative of f content of gx. Later that we need to do first derivative of g of s because this is about the chain rule of derivative. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.